If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified.
Got it fixed so I can use it.
Wow.
Better. Matches me.
Don't get mad.
Happy birthday, Arjun Junlei!
Hey guys! Welcome to my channel! We're going out for dinner! For the boy's birthday! Say hi!
Hi. Happy birthday.
Your turn, Arjun!
Hello.
And that's the driver, our dad. Chile! He's in the back.
You have air back there?
Did you lock your car on
What'd she say?
Yeah,
I don't know, Mom. Did you lock it?
She said happy birthday. Hope I'm not too late.
Mother, you didn't lock my car?
I
don't know where we're
As long
going.
as it's a Brazilian steakhouse, I want to go. Yeah, let's do that.
How about Takir with Steakhouse?
I don't care. I don't know.
We'll buy a tomahawk.
No. Oh yeah. This is it.
Said Brazilian.
1, 2, 3, happy birthday!
I had to mute the sound because it's too loud in this restaurant. So we're getting a seat, our table, I mean. So look at this. He found a white. He found the wine. It's huge. The ambience is very nice. Look at that. There's a lot of empty chairs. This restaurant is it's very good restaurant. It's unlimited Brazilian steakhouse, but the price is, it's expensive. Okay, we order a bottle of wine for all of us, so we don't have to buy per glass. Instead, we get one bottle for us. We need to get a red wine for our steak. You can't eat steak without red wine. So everybody is drinking now. I don't know who's gonna be driving. This is the stew. This is the salad, the mango salad. We have the pasta as well. And these are all appetizers only. And this is the main course. The beef, asparagus, pepper, and zucchini. So they serve you the sausage each table. The way it was set up is when your card turns into green, that means you want some food. But if you put it down to the red, that means you don't want any of the food. So we got overwhelmed with the food. And they serve so fast. We had a great time. Everybody was so hungry. All right, look at that. So you can eat unlimited steak. They will serve it for you. Like I said earlier, the red means you stop eating, the green means you want more. So Our card always go in the green, so they keep on serving us this food. And there's a lot of food for us. It's overwhelming food. The boys loves the food in this restaurant. They enjoyed it. That's good thing the whole family came here. Of course, I have extra addition to the family, Samant, Elaine's boyfriend, and Abby, his Janley's girlfriend. See? They're so cute. Arja doesn't have one yet. Abby showing the card. That means stop. The red stop. Okay, we're all full now. Trying to relax for a bit so we can eat more. Oh my god, look at these two. They look alike. They're so cute. Yeah. Okay, bon appetit. Keeps eating. All right. Look at that. So beautiful here. We always eat and eat. Say something, Anne.
You eat fast or you go home.
Okay, so right now we're celebrating the boys. Their
Celebrating what?
birthday. They're 21. Legal in Canada and US and anywhere else in the world.
What?
US and everywhere else in the world.
What's in the world?
Yeah, so these guys, the twins, and my daughter and Hamon, complete. Yeah. So we had a lot of food, and we're still eating. I mean, just relaxing for a bit. Too much food. Touro Steakhouse offer a various cut of grilled meats on skewers and slicing it directly onto your plate when you dining. And one of the number one they offer is the most authentic Brazilian steakhouse experience. We also really enjoy the pasta. Look at this pasta. It looks really fresh and it's yummy.
Fine today, so they're making Touro. Like, what's that? And I was like, oh wait, never mind, you're a vegetarian. I was like, it's an all-you-can-eat steakhouse. Sorry. It's really good though, if you know anybody.
I smell it. You know what it smells like?
Wait,
It smells
what?
very tire smelling,
Yes.
like a gas.
What do you want?
It smells it, right? You smell that now? That's a no, eh? Oh yeah. Like I have to drink this after I eat this.
You're supposed to.
I know.
Steak and red wine supposed to steak and red wine.
Fire.
Ready? I think they put something in the food that makes it tired.
Oh my god, this pineapple with cinnamon. It's really good.
It tastes
You
good.
like it?
It's like waking me up.
Happy you look like you're drunk. Cheers, cheers. Wow, that's cool. Ah, cheers, cheers.
Mom, eat the pineapple one's hot.
It's gonna go.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean, I sell them on devotion and so on my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade. The shade is still
You didn't even video when they were cutting. You're too busy. Ooh, look at him like a rose. Huh? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arjun Angelic. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God, you're 21. Did you guys make a wish?
Oh no, it wasn't recording.
No way.
No way.
Seriously?
No way.
It's okay, I recorded it.
Oh, yum.
But I didn't get the first part over there. Aww.
That is good for you.
Happy birthday, Jelly.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for sharing.
Wow, you guys have 2 cakes. And then 2 cakes again. That's so good.
This place is good. I took pictures after eating. In this little corner right here. Isn't that beautiful? If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.